For last 5 years, a friend of mine has been going to the gym. Only in the first week of January. Last year it was 3 days in a row, and that was a record. What more? He spends his entire December motivating himself for the 1st of Jan. We also have that one friend who started a business under the influence of the short-lived drug called motivation. I know we all have that friend because we are never the one, are we? Okay, jokes apart. But motivational, impulsive decisions and actions do come with a cost. Sometimes the cost is only money, but sometimes we also end up losing a confidence in ourselves for not being able to commit. I would say there is no need to lose trust or confidence in ourselves. But what is needed indeed is understanding that a long-term project needs long-term fuel, and motivation uses primitive mechanism to take actions on. Motivation pumps adrenaline in the body. Our body naturally secretes adrenaline in a situation of physical threat. We all know that when a caveman faced a life-threatening situation like coming face to face with a tiger, their body would release adrenaline as an immediate effect, providing the instinct of the caveman with excess energy, left with two options of fight or flight to choose from. This sudden gust of energy is useful, but short-lived. We cannot rely on running our daily life based on pumping adrenaline for two reasons. One, it's not viable. Two, it has side effects. It is not viable because our projects are long-term and require consistent effort with a calm mind, not just a spike of urgently claimed energy. Speaking of side effects, if we try to ride on motivation regularly, pumping adrenaline, it causes stress in the body. Because guess what is the message that our biological system is getting? Yes, that our life is continuously under threat. And this kind of stress in the body eventually leads to diseases and ill health. In this context, if you feel like taking an action, say signing up to a training course based on motivation, say because there is fire walking or there is walking on broken glass, it's glamorous and motivating, right? If so, tell yourself clearly that you're going for a weekend of fun-filled program, but don't falsely promise yourself for a long life benefiting transformation. For long-term effect, choose with a calm mind. Evaluate the results. See if it makes sense. Make sure that the advertisement is not inclined towards motivation. Make sure that you take up gym or any decision for that matter based on a calm and quiet mind. Keep growing, dear ones. Choose to be happy. Do like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more such videos.